A magnitude 7.2 earthquake in the Richter scale have hit the southern islands of the Philippines in Davao. You can see the map of the Philippines in the world map. And as you see in the Asia also, it is part of the southern Asia. Philippines is Davao area has been hit by the earthquake, and a shopping mall, the roof of it has collapsed and caused some injuries, and unfortunately one person has passed away. The total death toll, unfortunately, of this area earthquake is at the moment 6. Some sources have mentioned 7 also. The whole buildings were collapsing. This one you can see the parts of it in the area for the, actually the route of the escape is collapsed. Philippines is part of the Eurasian collision with the Australasian and Pacific plates collision. As you can see, emerging by this collision, Philippines out of the sea by a series of islands. And these islands are under stress by the push of the Philippine plates and Eurasia against each other, mainly forced by the Antarctica breakup and Australia moving toward the north. That's the main push. We may expect a tsunami happening any moment, so there's a chance for that. It may affect Indonesia, Northern Australia also.